Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa, and in this video we are going to write a program to find the largest element of an array in C. Now let us write the preprocessor directives hash include stdio.h header file hash include in angular brace we'll write console input output.h header file. We'll write void main function curly open brace, and here I'm going to declare array of size 10 of type integer. Next we'll take variable called large comma I is an index number, n is a number, that is how many number of elements that we want to enter in an array. So next CLR SCR function, which is used to clear the screen. Now we'll ask the user to enter how many elements using printf statement. In a double quotation mark we'll write how many elements, end the double quotation mark and put semicolon. Now we are going to receive the response from user through keyboard using scanf function. Here we'll write in a double quotation mark %d format specifier which represent integer type of data, comma ampersand of n, and put semicolon. Now we'll ask the user to enter the elements using printf statement. In a double quotation mark we'll ask the user to enter the elements. Now backward slash n, end the double quotation mark and put semicolon, and through iteration we are going to enter each element at a time using for loop. So here I'll write for I is equal to 0, I is less than n, and then I plus plus. Now we'll use scanf statement to receive the response from the user through keyboard. So here I'm going to write %d format specifier, end the double quotation mark, put comma, here ampersand of a of I and put semicolon. Now let us initialize a of 0 to large. Here I'm going to write variable large is equal to a of 0. So we have considered a of 0, that is first block of array consisting of some element. That element is initialized and equated as large. So let us take the looping structure for. Here we are going to write I is equal to 0, I is less than n, and then I plus plus. Here we'll write curly open brace, and next we are going to check out the condition, and each and every element will be compared. So using this if condition, here I'm going to write if a of I is greater than large, then large is equated with value of a of I, and put semicolon, put curly closing brace for this if statement. Now we have to print largest element is %d, end the double quotation mark, put comma, and value will be stored in large. So here I'm going to write large and put semicolon, and now we'll write get ch function over here and curly closing brace. So now let us take an example. When we compile and run this program, it will ask the user how many elements. So here I'm going to enter how many elements, and now we are going to enter, for example, 3. So n is equated with value 3 because of this scanf statement. After that it is going to ask the user to enter the elements. So enter the elements. So through this iterative and scanf statement we are going to receive 3 elements. For example, I'm going to insert 10, 20 and 30, for example. Okay, so here a of I, for the first time I is 0, that is a of 0 is equated with value 10. Next again control transfers to for loop by incrementing the value of I by 1, just because of this I plus plus. Here value of I is 1, 1 is less than, n value is 3, it is true. Again it is going to receive the next element. So a of 1 is equal to 20. Again control transfers to for loop by incrementing the value of I by 1. Now I value is 2, 2 is less than 3, yes, condition is true. Again it is going to receive the third element, that is a of 2 is equal to 30. Again control transfers to for loop by incrementing the value of I by 1. Now I is 3, 3 is less than 3, no, condition fails. So once the condition fails, control comes out of this for loop and it is going to execute the next statement. What is the next statement? large is equal to a of 0. So here we'll write the value of a of 0. A of 0 consisting of what? 10. So 10 is equated to the variable large. Next, using this iterative statement for I is equal to 0, here we are going to check the condition. If a of I, for the first time I value is 0, here I'll write a of 0. A of 0 consisting of what? Value 10. So 10 is greater than large. Large consisting of what? 10. Is 10 is greater than 10? No. Condition fails. Once again, the control transfers to for loop by incrementing the value of I by 1. Correct? Yes. Now, I is 1. So A of 1. A of 1 consisting of what? 20. So 20 is greater than large. Yes. So here large is equated with value what? 10. Correct? So it is true. Once it is true, then large is equal to A of 1, that is 20 will be initialized. Once again, control transfers to for by incrementing the value of I by 1. Now I value is 2. So 2 is less than 3, condition is true. Then we are going to check the condition A of 2. A of 2 consisting of what? A of 2 consisting of 30. Okay. So E is greater than large. What is the value of large now? 20. So earlier it was 10. Now it is new value is initialized to this. Now it is 20. So 30 is greater than 20. Yes, it is true. Once it is true, the value of A of 2 is equated. So A of 2 consisting of what? 30 is equated to the variable large. Again, control transfers to for loop by incrementing the value of I by 1. Now I value is 3. 3 is less than 3. No. Condition fails. Once the condition fails, control comes out of this looping structure and it is going to execute the next statement. What is going to print? So it is going to print largest element is percentage d large. So here it is going to print the value stored in a variable called large. So what is the value stored? 30. So it is going to print largest element is 30. Now let us run this program. For that, I will take you to my laptop screen. Here you can see I have already written this program in Turbo C++ compiler to save your time. Let us compile this program by pressing Alt F9. Here it is showing success, that indicates there is no error. Now I am going to run this program by pressing Control F9. Here you can see it is asking the user how many elements. For example, I'm going to enter 3 and then press enter. Now I'm going to enter, for example, 10, 20 and 30. And here you can see largest element is 30. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. Thank you.